Because it's actually the first place I sold cars back in 2006 when I started selling. So this is the first store I ever worked, which was Nissan of Opelousas. And now it's the new Sterling Value Pre-Owned, and I get to be the business manager here. So I'm excited about it. My name is Cortney Thibeaux, and I'm the business manager at the new Sterling Value Pre-Owned. I've been working with Sterling now for 2 years. I've been in the automotive industry for 16 years. My favorite thing about my job, I would definitely say, is helping customers find their wants, needs, and just helping them just select the right vehicle for their family. In my free time, what I do is I love cooking. So I love cooking for many events. You bring it to the pot, I can cook it. I spend time with my family. I have 3 beautiful children, a lovely wife of 10 years. I'm a praise and worship leader at my church. I don't play any instruments. I am a singer, of course. I do have a team that I sing with and that I'm responsible for. So we lead people into worship and praise music. My kids, what we do for fun, we do bike riding, we play sports, basketball, football, anything that involves exerting a lot of energy. The reason I chose Sterling is in my endeavor of looking for new employment, I was trying to find a company that was going to fit the type of integrity and the morals that I have as a salesperson. And coming to Sterling, I find that even before coming here, I find that Sterling, they held that good name where the #1 goal was customers, taking care of their wants and their needs and servicing their needs after the sale.